the 7 costly and complicated challenges of big data analytics. Hi, my name is Thomas Hazel, and I'm the founder and CTO here at Chaos Search. At Chaos Search, we transform customers' cloud object storage, like Amazon S3, into a massively scalable database, going after use cases such as observability, security, and application insights. Today, I'll be talking about the 6 of the 7 challenges of big data analytics. This episode will cover data analytics. We will outline what it is and why it's important. But the focus will be on the problems one encounters across workloads and use cases. You should see these episodes as a series where each leads into the next. Think of them as a journey, a data journey, where we'll examine everything from the actual sources generating the data to the extraction of value from them. So let's get started. What is data analytics? By definition, it is the semantic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data for making decisions. In classic terms, analytics are typically applied to business intelligence workloads and use cases. However, more and more operational analytics have entered the scene where meaningful patterns in the data drive direct action. In other words, the systems that produce business intelligence also require the analysis for their performance and security. In a way, today's operational workloads and use cases wag the business intelligence tail. And increasingly, insights are shared across the two. And here's where the challenges begin. In today's IT organizations, operational and business analysis are run by 2 different departments. As a result, there is no unified data platform. Typically, the 2 sides are serviced by 2 different solutions with 2 different technologies and architectures. And when there's a need to share information across operational to business intelligence, a major decision is at hand. When operational data needs to be analyzed in the context of business intelligence, a complex and costly data pipeline is created with data preparation, think of ETLing, and data moved from one data platform to another. It is common that operational databases are supported by search databases, like Elasticsearch, and business intelligence databases are supported by relational databases, like Snowflake, where the data pipeline preparation tooling, such as Cribble, is used to move between the two, and adding the time, cost, and complexity. Now, there has been some movement in such solutions trying to expand their offering, such as Elasticsearch adding SQL-ish concepts and Snowflake adding search-ish capabilities. But to be frank, these are more like hacks. Even Google is trying to get into the game by adding Big Search, think search-ish, to their BigQuery data warehouse solution. But again, this is more a workaround than a true multi-model data platform. And when it comes to real-time ingestion of complex JSON data, this is where Elasticsearch shines. And data warehouses struggle, even though they say they don't. There is a real technological reason Snowflake and BigQuery are not on the front line of operational workloads or use cases, and solutions like Elasticsearch are. Inversely, there is a real reason Elasticsearch is not on the back end of business intelligence, relational workloads, or use cases. Often is the case that a company's product is a software service, and operational data and business data is one the same. For years, the prevailing winds indicated the only solution is to keep separate solutions and copy the data. And when an organization has big data requirements, not only is each side of the world expensive, it is twice as costly when you double the storage and compute to manage this data duplication. And finally, it is often the case that an IT organization has double the personnel to support this disparate solutions. Now, I continue to hear that organizations try to leverage one platform for all workloads and use cases. But in the end, these decisions lead to failure. on the side that is not truly supported. In larger corporations, there is often a fight for dollars, and when budgets are reduced, this leads to bad decisions. Increasingly, business intelligence dollars are going towards operational platforms due to the heightened demand on security requirements. This has led to less and less dollars towards business growth and product innovation. If this trend continues, a majority of companies will be forced to stagnate, particularly in an economic downturn. Clearly, there needs to be a better way. And with the state of data platforms today, there does not seem to be much hope. In previous episodes, we covered the challenges of data platforms, where we discussed the reason there are no unified data platforms that generally support both operational and business workloads and use cases natively, as well as simply and in a cost-efficient manner. At the end of the episode, we discuss unique aspects of Chaos Platform, where we purposely built the very first unified cloud data platform designed to support native operational and business workloads and use cases. In other words, the vision to offer the three pillars of analytic access: search, SQL, and ML functionality natively without data movement or duplication. Think of it as virtually having an Elasticsearch, Snowflake, and Databricks engine under the hood without all the time, cost, and complexity of running these separate and siloed solutions. Now, we at Chaos see ourselves in a way as an API company as much as a database company. First, going after operational data in our early years, and now moving towards business intelligent data sets. And when we say APIs, we mean standard open APIs that support popular operational tooling like Kibana and Grafana, as well as popular business tooling such as Looker, Tableau, and Superset. Recently, a few data companies have begun to have this broader vision as well. Yet the difference with our technology and architecture is true native support for such multi-model access. These other companies either limit the capabilities or duplicate the data into distinct technologies, which ultimately result in failure to meet requirements or increased costs. And finally, if you're interested in learning more about our data analytics platform, as well as its capabilities, please head to our website, chaossearch.io, and join me on our next and final episode, The Challenges of Data Lifecycle, where we will talk about managing organizations' all-important lifeblood, their data. See you next time.